I have no socks on my feet.
All right.
Let me
I'm going
run
with
these.
socks, and she's going with no socks.
You know what, though? Texas has been real good to us.
Yeah.
Really good.
Yeah, it's been an interesting winter.
We've had an incredibly successful time. Quite enjoyed the weather and the amenities that we've gotten to experience. So.
That's got to get stored safe, right? Shauna's going to watch over the hitch for where the trim meets the frame rails coming out, and that's where you want to watch for separation. So you have somebody jump on the back bumper, and then the other person will kind of watch the front to see if you've got any movement that you shouldn't have. Ready?
Rock solid, baby.
What's going on, buddy? What's going on? Somebody needs a ride. Just to make things a little more challenging, we've decided to leave for our trip to Oregon and then get ready to go while we're already on the drive.
I don't know what to say about this place, but it's the best grocery store I've been to in the country.
All right, propane stopped up. Took about 5 gallons, around half full. And Tractor Supply always has the best price as far as I can tell. So we came here on the way and off we go. We've dumped our toilet tank now, and what we did was we didn't leave with an empty toilet tank. We actually had some water in there with dish soap and Calgon and a water softener. And so what that's doing is sloshing to clean the tank. Now we're dumping at a Love's after quite a bit of driving, hoping that the driving has oscillated things in the tank and we're going to have a nice clean tank.
Sorry
And
about the road noise, guys.
Yeah.
We are at a Love's truck stop.
Definitely at a Love's.
It cost us $10
to dump the tanks, and so
we ran errands getting propane.
we had about a half of a tank of fresh water here, and what I did was add some bleach to that so that would slosh around and clean the tank while we're driving. We're going to drain the rest of that out through the toilet tank here and clean that while cleaning our freshwater tank, and then we're going to refill with nice clean water.
Day 2 of RV setup. Yesterday we bleached our drinking water, our freshwater tank, and we put water softener and dish soap and sloshed it around in our black tank. After dumping and filling at a Love's for $10, we have realized that our tank needs a little bit more cleaning. And it turns out that where we parked last night off of I-10 was one of those great Texas rest areas. Actually has water and dump services, so for free. So we are going to backtrack, shake our tanks, and dump again. Woo!
We've got a bunch of minor repairs to make while we're en route, so we're hoping to find a good boondocking spot to be able to do that. This is the last HEB that we have access to on our route out of Texas, and we need to finish stocking up. Ready?
I think so.
Okay. If you want to come and stay here, there is a rec.gov scan the barcode fee station, but we didn't have good enough signal for it to actually work. So you can pay at the Iron Ranger, or if you get signal, you can pay online with rec.gov. Eventually, it's a $5 day use fee, which covers camping overnight.
So we want to test out our new mics today. I'm hoping that it's nice and windy and like blustery so that I can get sandblasted and we can test these babies out.
Got me close and Shauna far. Shauna, say.
Well, this is just me reporting live from the bathroom on how these microphones work. Back to you, Andrew. Wait a minute, I've just made a decision.
It's a bold decision. This will stand as a quick side-by-side test. You've got
sand in my shoes? Yes.
no sock on your mic. That was the answer to that question.
I have no socks on my feet.
All right.
Let me
I'm going
run
with
these.
socks, and she's going with no socks. This is an audio test.
I'm gonna come around and run down through.
Okay. Yeah, you're kind of behind a big loaf of sand there.
All right, let's go check and see how it came out.
All right. All right, next test, just me with the windsock. How about now? We still have some learning to do with these, but this quick test, I think, has proved that they'll work pretty well for us. Certainly at a distance, so we can be away from the phone and still get good audio.
Now we just need to remember to wear them.
Yep. We can get them out.
Going to be the biggest barrier.
Yep, getting them out when we need them is going to be the test. It's the perfect day to test our newly upgraded solar setup. We recently upgraded our solar system to help support our batteries for our upcoming work camping opportunity this summer. But I think these are some kind of cucurbit, like a cucumber-related gourd. And there's almost no weight to them at all, and they just blow into the little hollows after they dry out. I don't know, kind of cool. Does look like a little bocce court when you walk up on it. Had a significant improvement in organization here. Hello. Yes, sorry about your knee.
On my walk yesterday, I tripped, scabbed up the knee. We'll see how it goes today. We've put a bunch of stuff away, but we haven't actually done enough deep cleaning. If you look at that air conditioning shroud, and the ceiling and the walls are gross. It needs to be, everything needs to be wiped down, but we'll have to do that on our next stop because I don't have time to do it today.
Yep, that dust shows real good. Real dusty.
So all the fans, all the walls, we need to take apart the air conditioner and do some like deep cleaning, but we've gotten things put away so we can move in here. The floor is much cleaner.